Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Frameo digital picture frame. This is model number 112K. I've already tried doing this with a paperclip on the reset button at the back, but it doesn't seem to factory reset it. It just seems to, in a way, reboot it. So it might be useful if you're having problems, but if you want to completely factory reset it, then after using that, I still have all my photos here. So let's try to factory reset it using the on-screen prompts. So I'm going to tap the screen. I'm going to go to Settings, and I'm going to go to Backup and Restore, and I'm going to go to Reset Frame, and I'm going to go to Factory Reset, this bottom one. It says here, performing factory reset will reset the system on the frame and uninstall any Frameo updates. All frame data will be cleared, including settings, photos, and friends. Please consider making a backup before resetting. So obviously you're going to be doing this if you're going to be selling this or passing it on to someone else to use for their photos, not your photos. So I'm going to go to factory reset here, and it should wipe it. All right, and it's turned itself off. Let's see what's going to happen. There we go, erasing. So it didn't do that before when I used a paperclip. And there you go, you can see it has reset it because this is the welcome screen that you get when you first of all turn it on. So that's the frame itself reset, but now I want to get rid of my account with Frameo, so I'm going to go onto the Frameo app on my phone. So let's delete the account. So I'm going to go to these three little lines at the top here, the menu, and I'm going to go down to Account, and I'm going to go to Account Management, and I'm going to go to Delete Accounts. It's going to make me type in delete here. It's just warning you that your account will be deleted. Obviously you're only doing this if you're not intending to get any other Frameo products. So I've typed in delete there, and now I'm going to go to delete account. This action will delete your account and all its data. This action is irreversible. So I'm going to go to delete. Right, now it's just brought me back to here. Let's see what happens if I go into Frameo again. And there you go, get started. So you can see the app now is no longer linked to my account. So if you want, you can delete the app as you would delete any other app. So that's it, that's how to not only factory reset the frame, but also delete your account as well. And now this can be passed on to somebody else to enjoy. Thanks for watching.